Hi lovelies! Welcome back to my channel. This is Lovely of Lovely Budgets HK. Before I start, let me greet all of you a happy weekend. Thanks God, it's weekend again. Thank you all for subscribing and supporting this channel. By uploading this video, I think I already reached 400 subscribers, and thank you so much. And I owe it all to you, for my lovely friends there. I cannot say each and every one of you, and you know who you are, the one who's sharing my posts, the one who following my journey. And to all of you, thank you very much. And God bless you by helping me and by helping others. This community really is a very helpful community. So without further ado, let's start. So this one actually is a rollover money. It's a leftover from our last month budget, but I will just do it now. Normally, I will save it for my monthly and yearly saving challenge, but today I will do the same, but I'm focusing on this mystery puzzle saving challenge by Rocks because this I will need it soon for my daughters. So, but before that, let's count this money first. So, how much left over? So, let's see, 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 550, 60, 70, 80, 90, 600, 610. So, it's 610. Yay! I don't know what my mom doing, why we have so much like this one. So, this $10, all of this $10 will go to my, this is from Live Budget. I purchased it through her before the start of this year, and this is a $10 saving challenge. So every $10 that I saw on our or my mom saw, she just keep it or just a leftover from the groceries and food budget. So she will give it to me and so I can put it in here. I didn't show you, I think that I finished this August, but anyway, I do it off cam, so you just see it in here that I finished it already. And September, let's put it all together. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, so $60. So let's color 6 here. Let me grab my Sharpie. Oh, oh no, it fall down. Let me arrange it first. Okay, just hang on. So I'll just pick it up and rearrange it. Let's do this. One. So I don't know now where I stop. Where's the rest of the money? Let's see. So this was supposed to be 100, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, I'm on the right track. Sorry for that. Sometimes it happened. Yeah, you can laugh at me now. This is a mess. So I just mark it. So I will 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, I will just color this one fast. I will color it nicely later on off cam. Okay, so this is done. And just put it on aside. So for this mystery puzzle saving challenge, I will put here, I will finish all this line. So let me do, how much is it? 50 plus 15 plus 10 plus 20 plus 10 plus 5 plus 10. So 120. So let's put 120 here. 120. Okay. And grab some change. So change. And let's take out this one too to change. So now I got here 506, 7, 8, 9, 990. Yay! 990. Oh, no, still have, you see? I'm not careful. Let's do again. 506, 7, 8, 9. Oh, 1,000! Yay! 1,000 already. 1,004. I think it's gonna be, if I can finish it now, I will finish it, but I will still have a lot of money that we need here. And my bundle is broken. So let me color this and I will get back to you. Hello, please. Upon checking my phone, because I'm recording for using my phone, you know what happened? It's not recorded. The one I do here is not recorded, so I'm just letting you know that I save money here. So it's 19 plus I put $20, I think $30 here. Sorry about this. And I finished save with, oh, this saving challenge is from the Two Sister Bees. And this one I stopped here last month, and I continue here until the end of this. So I save here $40. And this one as well from Miss D of the Plans and Budget. I haven't colored it yet, but because I checked my video, but it's not there. So this one is I already finished, and I save it $20. So I'll just show you where I put every. So for mystery puzzle is here for my daughter's graduation. And for my son, I add here $40. I'm not rushed. They still have time to finish this, and I will add more if I finish it. And for triple play, I add here $30, I think. Yeah, and this Miss Judy. So far, we have here 350. And for the plans and budget, the updated savings is 200, 300. So 305. There's a coins there. I'm just a bit upset now because my work is lost. That happened always with my channel. And for Save 2024 and 2024 by the Almost Organized Owl, I'm standing now because I'm upset and I'm sweaty here because I lost the footage. It didn't record it. So anyway, so far I finished here this one. I haven't colored it, and I save here $100. So this line 10, 40, 16, 18, 30, and 11. So the total now here is 500, 6, 7, 8, 9, 1,010. Okay. And next, challenge that I did is this one. So I finished it already, and the total amount I save here. No, for today I roll 4 plus 14 plus 18 plus 22 plus 26. So here is 84. And the last roll is 6, I think. 1, 2, 3. Oh, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. No. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh, 9. So 4. So there's an additional 4. So I save here. No, it should be 6. 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Anyway, I cannot do the footage anymore. So that's all I save here. I think there's a mistake here. Anyway, so next one I do is my husband shut the box, which is not recorded. Yeah, unfortunately. So I finished this shut the box for my hubby, and I save here $17. And the total amount that I save in his shut the box is 146. Then I do mine. And I save here 6 plus 12, isn't it? 8, 11, 12. So $18. And I put it on my envelope. That's all I do. And the rest, I think there's a $50 more that I put on my allocate in here. That's why I didn't color it yet. So that's all I do today. And thank you so much, lovelies. Please let's cheer me up by liking this video, subscribe, and put a comment. And can I say today is it's okay not to be okay. It's okay that your video mess up, but it's okay. It happened. And be still thankful and be still grateful. That's all for now, lovelies. Bye for now and see you later. Be humble and grateful. Bye. God bless. We can do it.